The rising demand for mechanical keyboards has exploded among typists and gamers who prize tactile feedback, durability, and customizability. This guide evaluates switch type, tactile, linear, and clicky, build quality, layout options, and overall value to help you choose the best keyboard for your typing style and budget.
List number 1. Inequalit 4-amp mini circular saw. Overview. The Inequalit 4-amp mini circular saw is a budget-friendly corded option aimed at DIYers who need a compact, reliable cutting tool for light construction, trim work, and quick shop tasks. With a 4-amp motor, the blade size typical for mini saws, and a low-weight design, it promises workable cutting power without the bulk of a full-size circular saw. Performance and build. For tasks like ripping thin plywood, cross-cutting trim, and making plunge cuts for soffits or small repair jobs, the 4-amp motor provides consistent RPM under light to moderate loads. The saw's compact footprint improves line of sight to the blade and makes one-handed setups easier. Materials and finish lean toward functional plastic housings with metal shoe and guard components, fine for infrequent use but less robust than pro-grade metal-bodied saws. Ergonomics and controls. The handle is designed for a comfortable 2-finger or full hand grip depending on user size, and the blade guard and bevel adjustment mechanisms are straightforward. Expect basic safety features, blade guard, blade wrench storage, but not advanced dust collection or electronic blade braking systems common in higher-tier saws.
List number 2. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw. Overview. DeWalt's Atomic 20V Max Mini Circular Saw brings cordless convenience, brand-recognized durability, and professional ergonomics to compact cutting. Built to work with DeWalt's 20V battery platform, this saw aims to bridge portability and power for contractors, remodelers, and serious DIYers. Performance and power. The cordless 20V platform gives the saw the mobility to handle framing, deck repairs, trim, and rip cuts without a cord. Paired with a high-capacity 20V battery sold separately unless bundled, the motor balances speed and torque for clean cuts in plywood, OSB, pressure-treated lumber, and dimensional stock. Battery life depends on battery amp-hour rating. Expect multiple cuts per charge with a 2 to 5 AH pack or longer with higher capacity batteries. Build quality and durability. As with other DeWalt tools, the Atomic model prioritizes a rugged build, reinforced housings, durable shoe plate, precision-cut bevel and depth adjustments, and accessible blade change systems. The balance of lightweight design and metal components creates a tool that stands up to heavier use than typical bargain saws.
List number 3. Aliexpress Mini Circular Saw, 4-amp, 3500 RPM, corded. Overview. The Aliexpress Mini Circular Saw is a corded, compact saw specified at 4 amps and a rated 3500 RPM, respectable numbers for light to medium cutting. That combination makes it a straightforward choice for users who prefer the steady power of corded tools and appreciate clear performance specs. Performance and cutting quality. With a 3500 RPM no-load speed and a 4-amp motor, the Aliexpress delivers steady blade speed under typical cutting loads, translating to clean, controlled cuts in softwood, plywood, and composite materials. The specified RPM gives buyers useful expectations for blade selection and cutting technique. Higher RPM helps smoother finishing cuts, while the motor torque handles modest loads without excessive bogging. Design and features. Expect a compact shoe for tight areas, a simple bevel adjustment for angled cuts, and a blade guard designed for quick plunge cuts. The corded power ensures consistent output for repetitive work, and the saw's balance emphasizes maneuverability. Build materials are likely multi-material, plastic housing with metal shoe, which keeps weight down and cost competitive. List number 4. Genesis Mini Circular Saw, 4.0 amp, 4 1/2 inch with 24T carbide tipped blade. Overview. The Genesis Mini Circular Saw packs a 4.0 amp motor with a compact 4 1/2 inch blade
and ships with a 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade, a configuration that targets clean, efficient cutting in trim, molding, decking, and light construction tasks. The included carbide blade is a notable value add for buyers who want immediate quality cutting capability out of the box. Cutting performance and blade. The 24T carbide blade balances material removal and finish. More teeth than a coarse rip blade produce smoother edges on plywood and softwood while still cutting quickly. The 4.0 amp motor provides enough power for consistent cutting in common shop and field tasks. Paired with a thin curve blade, it minimizes motor drag and improves cut speed. Build-in features. Genesis focuses on practical design. A sturdy shoe plate for accurate cuts. Easy bevel adjustment for up to common angles. List number 5. Galex Pro Mini Circular Saw. DC-20V 4.5 inch cordless circular saw with 2.0 AH. The Galex Pro DC-20V Mini Circular Saw brings cordless mobility into a compact 4.5 inch package and ships with a 2.0 AH battery, a practical kit for on-the-go tasks where a cord would be limiting. It's positioned for users who want flexibility with light to medium cutting capacity. Power and battery life. The 20V system offers the convenience of cordless operation without the tether of a cord. The included 2.0 AH battery provides enough charge for a handful of cuts in demanding materials or longer sessions in softer materials. For sustained job site work, upgrading to a higher capacity battery is a sensible investment. Cordless motors are tuned to preserve battery while delivering usable RPM and torque for common cuts. Design and features. Galex Pro emphasizes portability, compact shoe, easy beveling, and quick blade change mechanisms. The 4.5 inch blade size is well suited to trim, panel, and decking jobs where maneuverability matters. Expect standard safety features and ergonomic considerations like a soft grip handle and a balanced center of gravity for controlled cuts. Use cases and practicality. This saw is ideal for tradespeople who need a second saw on site, installers who work in areas without convenient power, and weekend warriors tackling fence boards, shelves, and light framing. Cordless convenience speeds up setup and reduces trip hazards, a real advantage in tight or messy workspaces.